Okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vancouver Trolley. My name is Tashi. We have an equation, and this is our stop number 7. Okay, and we have a lot to stop today. If you can hop on and hop off as many as you want, and wherever you hop off, next trolley will be there in about 45 minutes. Okay, so you have 45 minutes to take pictures, walk around, wherever you want to hop off. It's a great day. It's not raining, and this is our new convention center on your right here. It's built in 2010 into Olympic for Media Center, and this is the Olympic torch. This Olympic torch flame twice a year, and the first one is the July 1st, and the second one is the Remembrance Day. Other than that, there's no flame. Okay? If you want to see the flame, you come back in July, you will see. And right now we're going to zigzag around Vancouver City, and you will learn few streets and buildings. And on your right here, this is Harbour Green. It's called Harbour Green. It's a marble. You can see beautiful from top to the bottom. The marble. And the cheapest condo you can buy in this place costs you $2.5 million for 2 bedrooms. Yeah. So it's very expensive. And this is the Coal Harbour, Vancouver City. Coal Harbour and Yale Town and West End is just a few blocks from here. Those are the residential area, so you can rent or you can buy places. It's a lovely place to live downtown Vancouver. This is our stop for Marriott, Pinnacle, and Pinnacle Hotel. On the left here, this marine building known as Art Deco. It's built in the 1920s and finished 1930. During that time, it was the tallest building in Vancouver in 1930. It's 22 stories. It's quite beautiful. This is a financial district. All the banks around here. They have 5 financial buildings. It's the Royal Center small shopping mall. By the Regency, stop number 9. On the left here you see beautiful landscape in the middle, small building. That's Burrard Art Gallery, First Nations Art Gallery. So if you want to see the First Nations art, that's quite a beautiful day. It's open most time. And the oldest cathedral on the left. Oh.
Wow.
I know, it's crazy.
How often you wash that?
This Albany Street. On the left we have a Fairmont Hotel Vancouver. This is one of the historic hotels in Canada. We have a few of them in Vancouver. And this is all the high-end shopping, Louis Vuittons and Tiffany's, Hermes, Gucci, Burberry's, all a whole bunch of them here. And also they have a nice restaurant too, black, blue, coffee, Japanese grey, Italian kitchen. They have a very nice restaurant down there if you want to go there check out. And the Victoria's Secret on the left. And Robson Street, this is the busiest street in Vancouver, Robson. You know, there are thousands of people walking around and all there. Lots of shops. And the Pacific Mall is only 2 blocks from here. Forever 21. Joe Forte, which is a seafood restaurant on your right on the second floor, Joe Forte. It's a really nice place to eat seafood if you like seafood. On the left we have a Chichi, which is an Italian restaurant on the second floor. It's open only dinner, there's no breakfast, no lunch, but it's just only dinner. It's quite a nice place if you want Hello. Hello. Do you need a ticket? Okay. What's this thing? Oh. It's okay, thank you. I can take this thing. And you can sit down right now. I will. Yeah, you can sit down. We go next to stop. I sell your ticket.
What stop is this?
This is stop number 10, Blue Horizon. This Blue Horizon. On the left here we have a Japan Center. The Japanese stove if you want to check it out. Good morning, welcome to Vancouver Trolley, and this is stop number 10, okay? And the forage on the left here, this is a 100 Mile food. It's a very popular restaurant. Small plates, mainly you have to share with your friends. And the staple Greek restaurant. And we have a lot of restaurants around here. Lots of Korean food, Korean restaurant.
What does the flashing green light mean?
Did you see that?
Sorry?
When you have a flashing green light, what does that mean?
You can go, and it's normally just a green flash, and you have to pay attention. Sometimes they change quickly, and pedestrian crossing and stuff like that. So there's not much. Yeah, it's a little bit different, and especially when it's busy, they're stayed, and when it's not busy, they always flush. But you can go, but you have to pay attention, basically.
A little more traffic at different times. Be careful for idiots coming out on a red. Which one? Yeah. Oh. We got a pretty good pipe.
On the left, we have a white spot. This is a restaurant. We have a few of them around. If you like to take out, you take your kimbap up, you get a really good discount, okay? Cool Harbor, which is the other side. This is all residential area. On the left, you see lots of buildings. Most of them are rentals, so you can rent a place around here. One bedroom, average around $1,600 a month in Vancouver. If you want to buy a condo, one bedroom, and the average is around $500,000.
Yeah.
It's going up. It's going up like Well, we said what
Okay. And you guys need ticket, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Just 1 second. I sell ticket for you first. You want to pay MasterCard, right? Yeah, it's alright. And this is a coupon box, 2 of you, and 1